Hello, this is Mark Hamlin, and I created this video to review the Coince program. Coince is a British investment company that's located in London, and you can see on the screen, first page of the website, that it's a company that has been around or founded since January 2008, and they're involved in the electricity business. They are a power supply company. In fact, the primary company is called Power Supplies and Equipment Limited, and they're involved in wholesaling electricity as well as providing space for BitCoin miners who use a lot of electricity. And so this is primarily how they make their money. And of course, you can go to the website for more details. And this particular program called Coince was actually launched publicly January the 11th, 2016. And if you're looking on my screen, you can see that they're having tremendous growth, over 87,000 depositors since they opened. In addition to that, if you're looking on the website, of course, you can see they've got a social media presence where you can read various comments from various people. In addition to that, on the website, you will notice these authenticity reviews, and these are third-party companies that review companies to find out if they are real. Do they have a real location, who the primary principals are, the owners, the managers, whether they have a business license, all these various things. They help you with your due diligence. So first thing I want to mention is that the website is extremely well done, one of the best I've seen in quite some time. All the pertinent information is here, including the FAQ. And the other thing I want to share with you is that I am a depositor with the company, and I've had very good experiences. I've made several withdrawals. It's very easy to reach customer service. They respond in a very timely manner. They also have a phone number, a 24-hour number that you can call and leave a message, and they will respond back. So I find the company to be very responsive. I find that they are doing exactly what they've promised to do in terms of the payouts, the amounts, and the timeliness. They promise to actually fulfill withdrawals within 24 hours, and that's exactly what I experienced with the company. Okay, now if you scroll down, you're going to see the terms of the agreement. It's a quarterly contract, 90-day contract. They pay out 60% a month, and I'm going to break that down for you so you understand exactly what that means. And a person can participate with a deposit of as low as $10, and which is significant. You have guaranteed returns. You're going to know exactly what you're receiving. In addition to that, you have daily withdrawals. They're going to give you a document, which is a certificate of shares that you can download, as well as there are no fees and no limitations. So let's just go ahead here. There's a calculator on the first page. And let's go ahead and just put a number in here and see how this is going to work out. So I'll start off with $1,000. And you'll notice that this $1,000, let's go ahead and calculate. This $1,000 is actually going to pay you back $20 per day, or 2%. That's $140 a week, or $600 a month. Now this total includes your principal and your earnings. All right, so this is a 90-day contract, so 90 times 20 is $1,800. So your original deposit was $1,000, but you received back $1,800. That's 180% return, $800 profit. All right, so not bad, not bad. So you do the math on that, and you find that that is a very reasonable number, and it's very doable. Now, in addition to the returns that you receive on a daily basis, there is also an affiliate program. Once you have a live account, in other words, you made a deposit with the company, when you refer others through your referral link, every time they make a deposit, you will earn a commission. And so in this case, 5%, 2%, and 1%. So this is a 3-level affiliate program. So the people that you personally invite, every time they make a deposit, you earn 5%. When they invite someone, every time they make a deposit, that's 2% that you receive. And when they invite someone, every time they make a deposit, that's 1% that you will receive. So there's a big difference between multi-level or networking and affiliate programs. This is simply an affiliate program where companies reward you when you invite others to participate. Very clean cut principle. Okay, now when you scroll down, the other thing you're going to notice on this website, which is well equipped, provides you with all the information that you need all on one website as you're doing your due diligence. But you notice that there are several ways to actually purchase, let me put it like this, several ways to actually make a deposit with the company. So we're looking here and we can see the live withdrawals that people are currently making as we speak. And they're making withdrawals through BitCoin, a company called Perfect Money, and a company called Payeer, which are payment processors similar to PayPal. All right, and you'll notice that these numbers over time are continuing to increase as people get more involved at a higher deposit amount. All right, in addition to that, as you come on down toward the bottom here, you'll see more information as to exactly what they do and what their business is. And when you come down to the bottom, you can see the icons for Perfect Money, Payeer, and then BitCoin. Now, when you deal with these two companies, there are some fees involved, but if you know anything about Bitcoin, for the most part, is no fees whatsoever. So that's what I choose to use. And if you need some help in getting started here, I can provide that for you. So two things that you're going to need to do. If you're going to fund this with Bitcoin, you're going to want to open up a Bitcoin account. So the first website that I would suggest to you is called Buy Bitcoin Here. BuyBitcoinHere.info. You can register there, and when you open up an account with them and you purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin, they're actually going to give you a 10% bonus. So that's Buy Bitcoin Here. Now, if you'd like for me to work with you and walk you through the process, log on to createwealthdaily.com. createwealthdaily.com, and I'll work with you, walk you right through the process, make sure you have a thorough understanding of how this works, and get all your questions answered, and I'll do that for you personally. All right. So now I've made several withdrawals from the company, and I've had a very good experience. I rate the company highly. They're doing exactly what they say they're going to do. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. My number will be below the video, as well as my other contact information. So this is my review of the Coince program. They're doing an excellent job right now, and I'm very satisfied with their performance. Thank you, and have a great day.